Hello friends, in this video I will unbox Honor 300 Pro 5G and also do full camera test review with AI. Doing so, I will share some information of this smartphone. So friends, please keep watching the full video. The Honor 300 Pro on the rear packs a triple camera setup featuring a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 50 megapixel telephoto camera and a 12 megapixel macro camera. It has a single front camera setup for selfies featuring a 50 megapixel sensor. The Honor 300 Pro runs macOS 9, is based on Android 15 and packs 256 GB of inbuilt storage. The Honor 300 Pro is a dual connectivity options on the Honor 300 Pro include Wi-Fi 8.02.11, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC and USB Type-C. Sensors on the phone include accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass or magnetometer, gyroscope, proximity sensor and in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, 6.78-inch touchscreen display offering a resolution of 1224 x 2700 pixels. Honor 300 Pro comes with 12 GB of RAM. The Honor 300 Pro runs Android 15 and is powered by a 5300 mAh battery. The Honor 300 Pro supports wireless charging as well as 100-watt fast charging for fast charging.